In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Google Pay to ATM. Here's the plan. You'll move money from your Google Pay balance into your linked bank account, and then you'll withdraw that cash at an ATM using your debit card. This walkthrough assumes you already have funds in your Google Pay balance and a bank account linked to Google Pay, along with a debit card for that account. Start by opening a web browser and going to wallet.google.com. Sign in with the Google account that holds your balance. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Payment Methods. This is where Google keeps your cards, bank accounts, and your Google Pay balance in one place so you can manage transfers cleanly. Next, find the option that says Money in Google Pay or Google Pay Balance. That's the tile that shows how much money you currently have stored with Google. Click it to open the balance details, which will reveal your available actions. Choose Transfer Out. This is the command that moves money from your Google Pay balance into your linked bank account. You'll see a form where you can specify how much you want to move. Type in the amount carefully and make sure it's within your available balance. Below the amount, select the bank account you want the money to go to. If you have more than one linked, pick the one tied to the debit card you plan to use at the ATM. Take a second to double check the destination. Accuracy here saves time later. Now confirm the transfer. Before you finalize it, review the summary, the amount, the receiving bank, and any notes about timing. Transfers can be near instant in some cases, but they may also take up to a few business days depending on your bank and region. After you confirm, you should see a success message, and you may receive an email or app notification. It's a good idea to keep that confirmation for your records. Once the funds arrive in your bank account, head to an ATM with your debit card and withdraw the cash as you normally would. Be mindful of any daily withdrawal limits or ATM fees, especially if you're using a machine outside your bank's network. For the smoothest experience, use an in-network ATM, shield your PIN, and verify your available balance in your banking app before you start. That's it. You've moved money out of Google Pay and into your bank and then withdrawn it at an ATM. If something looks off at any point, like a missing balance or a delay, check your transaction history in Google Wallet and your bank account activity for updates.